I heartily welcome you to Math Simplified by HM. Today we are exploring one of the most elegant proofs in geometry known as Apollonius Theorem. We will be breaking down the math step by step to show exactly how the Pythagoras theorem helps us to find these results. It's a must know for every geometry student. Please like, share this video with your friends and well wishers, and subscribe and click the bell icon to join our learning community. Now grab your notebook, pause the video as needed to follow along, and let us get started. Apollonius Theorem. The theorem in triangle ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to 2M square plus 2BM square. Given and to prove, given in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of side BC. Therefore, BM is equal to MC. To prove, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 times M square plus 2 times BM square. Now to prove this, we have to do small construction, and that is draw segment AD to perpendicular segment BC. Now here we have drawn AD perpendicular to segment BC. Now we will write our step 1 of proof, assuming sec AM is not perpendicular to sec BC. One of the angle AMB and angle AMC must be obtuse and other acute. Now in our diagram, AMB is obtuse angle and AMC is acute angle. Let angle AMB be the obtuse angle. In the obtuse angled triangle AMB, applying the property of the application of Pythagoras theorem, we get AB square is equal to AM square plus MB square plus 2BM into MD. Name this as equation 1. We move to steps 2. Now consider the adjacent angle triangle AMC, where AMC is the acute angle. In the acute angled triangle AMC, applying the property of the application of Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square minus 2MC. Name this as equation 2. Further step, from our given information, M is the midpoint of BC, therefore BM is equal to MC. Substitute BM in place of MC into equation 2. We get AC square is equal to AM square plus BM square minus 2BM into MD as equation 3. Final conclusion, adding the equation. Adding equation 1 and equation 3, we get AB square plus AC square is equal to AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into MD plus AM square plus BM square minus 2BM into MD. The term plus 2BM into MD and minus 2BM into MD perfectly cancel each other and leaves AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square proved. As we bring today's lesson to close, I want to leave you with a motivational thought perfectly tied to the theorem we just proved. Great results require twice the effort think about the right side of our formula today. 2am square plus 2bm square. Just as the geometry requires you to double the square of the median and double the square of the base segment to balance the equation. Achieving double the success in your own life means you must put in doubles the practice. Stay consistent, keep working hard, and thank you all for your excellent attention. Please like and share this video with your well-wishers, colleagues and friends. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Enjoy the great time.